Here is a quick overview of Squash. No matter where you are in Squash, you will always see the navigation bar on the left. This provides access to the three main workspaces of Squash. First, the Requirements workspace in blue is where you can create, organize, and track requirements. The Test Cases workspace in green is where you can create, manage, customize, and apply variables to your test cases. The Campaigns workspace in purple is where you can plan and manage your execution. You also have a workspace dedicated to reporting, two workspaces for automation, the administration menu, the links to your bug trackers, an entry point for the documentation of Squash, and at the bottom you have access to your account or the possibility to log out. On the welcome screen, you can either display a message like this one or display a custom dashboard to give you a visual overview of the progress of your project. The general layout is the same for Squash's three main workspaces, so let's discover it through the Requirements workspace. On the left side, there is a library containing your project tree, and on the right side there is a page for viewing the item currently selected in the library. Squash is a multi-project tool because you can access several projects at the same time, and an inter-project tool because you can share elements between several projects. For instance, here we have 3 projects, and you can filter them via the project filter here. This allows you to select the projects you want to be displayed in the library, and this selection is applied to each workspace. The project name appears in the color of the workspace you're in this case blue. In front of the name of each project in the library, you'll find an icon indicating the permission you have on it. Here, the star means that we have the rights to create, delete, modify, and read. Inside the project, you'll find the requirements, here organized in folder and subfolder. I can select one of them and access the consultation page for this requirement on the right. All information about this requirement is displayed here. On top of the library, you'll find various buttons which allow you to create, copy, paste, delete, import and export, configure the library display, or access the search workspace.